A programmable logic controller, PLC, is a specialized industrial computer used to control manufacturing processes, machinery, or other automated systems. PLCs are designed to operate in harsh industrial environments and are widely used in industries such as manufacturing, automotive, energy, and more. Key features of PLCs: rugged design. 1. Built to withstand extreme temperatures, humidity, vibration, and electrical noise. Programmability. 2. PLCs can be programmed using ladder logic, structured text, function block diagrams, or other programming languages to control processes. Input, output, I/O modules. 3. PLCs interface with sensors, actuators, and other devices through digital or analog I/O modules. Real-time operation. 4. PLCs are designed for real-time control, ensuring timely responses to input changes. Modularity. 5. Many PLCs are modular, allowing users to add or remove I/O modules, communication modules, or other components as needed. Communication capabilities. 6. PLCs can communicate with other systems, such as human-machine interfaces, HMIs, supervisory control and data acquisition, SCADA, systems, or other PLCs, using protocols like Modbus, Ethernet, IP, or Profibus. How PLCs work. Input scan. 1. The PLC reads the state of input devices, e.g., sensors, switches. Program execution. 2. The PLC executes the user-written program to determine the appropriate output based on the input data. Output scan. 3. The PLC updates the state of output devices, e.g., motors, valves, lights, based on the program logic. Repeat. 4. The process repeats in a continuous loop, ensuring real-time control. Applications of PLCs. Manufacturing. 1. Assembly lines, robotic control, and quality control systems. Energy. 2. Monitoring and controlling power generation and distribution. Building automation. 3. HVAC systems, lighting control, and security systems. Transportation. 4. Traffic light control, conveyor systems, and railway signaling. Advantages of PLCs. Reliability. 1. Designed for continuous operation with minimal downtime. Flexibility. 2. Programs can be easily modified to adapt to new processes. Scalability. 3. Modular designs allow for expansion as needed. Cost-effective. 4. Reduces wiring and maintenance costs compared to traditional relay-based systems. Popular PLC brands: Siemens, Symatic S7 series, Allen Bradley, Rockwell Automation, Schneider Electric, Modicon, M340, Mitsubishi Electric, FX, Q series, Omron, CP1, CJ2 series. If you have specific questions about PLC programming, please comment below.